Are you eager to learn why to start selling digital products? If yes, in this video I will tell you 5 reasons, 5 top reasons. By knowing that, you will start building your digital product store today, because that will blow your mind and you will be charged to start your MSI ecosystem. So let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pagadia, and if you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. Like this video, this gives me motivation to make more videos like this. Why to start selling digital products? The number one, we should understand what is digital products. Some of you may not be clear about digital products. Selling online, you may consider digital products, but that is not the exact digital products. I will tell you some examples of digital product. That is, number one digital product is online courses. That is trending right now, and online courses and e-learning industry is booming right now after hitting COVID-19. And next digital product is email based courses. You are going to subscribe to an email, and that email is going to give you the lessons delivered to your inbox, and that is email based courses. Next is online workshops. You may have seen some advertisements of online workshops: 2-day workshop, 3-day workshop, 5-day WhatsApp workshop. These are also a digital products for coaching people. And number 4 is ebooks. Ebooks also digital products. And next is coaching package. Sometime you may subscribe to some membership, and that membership provides you different level of access to different type of courses. So these type of products are digital products. And now let me tell you next thing, that is benefits of selling digital products, and after that I will tell you how to start selling digital products, how to build products. So number 2, benefits of selling digital products. By knowing these 5 benefits, you are going to start selling your digital products, because these will give you the motivation to build digital product and sell digital products. Number 1 is no inventory, no office. You don't require to maintain any inventory like in the physical products, and you not required any office. You can make digital products from your home, from your laptop, from your computer, from wherever you want to build around the globe, provided you having a laptop and a internet connection. Or you may also build digital products from your mobile. There is no requirement of maintaining inventory, no requirement of any office. Next benefit is create once, sell for years. If you have created an ebook, if you have created an online course on evergreen topic, then you can sell that course for many years. You can sell that ebook for many years, because that will not deteriorate automatically, and that will be relevant after years also. So you can sell that for years. And next benefit is passive income. You can sell 24/7 without working actively. You may set up your funnels, you may set up your membership area, and you can put money in your Facebook ad account. You can start running your campaigns, and you will get leads, and they will be buying your products 24/7 as per their requirement. And that is insane as per me. If you need not to be present at the time of selling, then that selling is the best selling for growing your passive income. And number 4 benefit of selling digital product is one product, multiple customer. You have built an ebook. You can sold that ebook to thousands to millions people, and that is not going to reduce from your inventory, because it is digital. And you can sell one course to multiple users, you can sell one ebook to multiple users, and all other digital products you can sell multiple times. And next is full automation. This is really insane. And if you start setting up your MSI ecosystem today, by next 2 years you can automate your full system, and that will do work 24/7, and you are going to earn passive income and a huge amount also, because you can set up email automation, You can set up ad campaigns. You can outsource some things that require managers, that require human attendance, that you can outsource from a freelancer platform, or you can have dedicated freelancer also. And you can automate delivery of your products to customers inbox. You can automate all the system. So this is going to be give you the time freedom, and that is the best thing that I like about selling digital products. I am making this video today. This video is going to give me the views. This video is going to give me the subscribers till years. Because what happens in a YouTube algorithm, if your content is relevant, that is not going to lost in feed. In the Instagram and Facebook, your past content is going to be lost in the feed. So these are the 5 reasons to start selling digital products. If you like this video and if you like these reasons, want to build digital products, I am here to help you to build your online courses, to build your membership, to build your community. I will help you in each and every step. So let me tell you how I can help you. Number 1 is download MSI guide. You will find the link in the description of this video. By going through that MSI guide, you will know how you can build MSI ecosystem that can give you 24/7 sales that can be totally automated. And next thing you have to do is join Youth Info Hub. What drives people is right environment, and if you want to be in the right environment for building and selling digital products, Youth Info Hub is the community where all of we are building digital products, improving by helping each other and selling our digital products. And the next thing is start building MSI ecosystem today. Download MSI guide, go through that MSI guide, and you will learn how to build your MSI ecosystem. Start building that today. Take actions. Consuming content is very easy. You may watch this video while sleeping, and you can watch next video also. But if you are not taking action, then why you are watching? Please think from your prospect. Why you are watching? You have watched this video. I have gained something from this video. It may be watch time, it may be subscriber, or it may be ad revenue also. But what you got from this video? If you got some value, please implement that value. Please take action. Because that action is going to give you the freedom. I'm not going to give you the freedom. I'm going to give you the action steps. Please implement that action steps and try to achieve time and financial freedom so you can live your dream life. So this is about selling digital products. If you like this video, please share with others, and thanks for watching.